Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be attempting to create a technical drawing page of a 3D exercise in both Freecad versions, 0.21.2 as the video part 1, this video, and the same in 1.0 RC2 Freecad version as the video part 2. All these tasks using the TechDraw workbench. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the channel content, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel as a supporting way. Also buy something useful for you from the channel Ko-fi shop or make a little donation through the channel's Ko-fi page. Ko-fi page and shop link in the video description. Back to the video, the TechDraw workbench is a built-in workbench used to create detailed technical drawings from 3D models. It has received many improvements over time, so many that in this video part 1 focuses on creating the technical drawing of this 3D model, as you can see here, as it is on this page, using the workbench tools available in this version of Freecad, I mean Freecad 0.21.2. And the next video part 2, the same task in version 1.0 RC2. There are also videos here on the channel which show step by step how to draw this 3D model in this version of Freecad and in version 1.0 release candidate. First of all, as step 1, we need a 3D model to create a technical drawing from it. So let's open the 3D model. On the start page of Freecad 0.21.2, just open the 3D model, click on the open icon, select the model file and OK. Before we go ahead to the step 2, let's save as the file as technical drawing page 3D model 196 and also create a simple copy of this 3D model on the part workbench. Let's do that. And after that, let's delete the body object. And here we have the first step done. As step 2, we need a page where we can create a technical drawing of the 3D model. So switch from the part workbench to TechDraw workbench in workbench selector. On the TechDraw workbench, there are two ways to create a page in the TechDraw page tools. The first one is creating or inserting the page using the default page tool, which inserts this page here. If we click on its icon, this default page here is customizable. You can define a different page by going to the workbench preference and set the path of your page here. The second way is using the insert page tool to insert a page. Just click on its icon, choose a template from this list here on this window, and I have one made in Inkscape and I'm going to insert it now. Its a template for size is an A3 sheet, as you can see in the template page properties. You can insert a blank A3 template. In step 3, let's see how to insert views of the 3D model. To insert views on the page, we have this group of tools here, TechDraw views. Of all of them, the one that matters now is this one here, this first tool. Let's insert a top view of the 3D model on the page. So first you need to go to the 3D space and tool to the top view in navigation cube here, click here. And next, select the body on the 3D view and click in insert view icon. Go to the TechDraw page by clicking here or in the view inside the page. As you can see, a top view of the 3D model was added to the drawing page. And we have the possibility to rename the object label to top view by selecting the view and press F2 on the keyboard and next set the name. As you can see, the top view is too small. Let's scale it. To do that, just select the top view object on the 3D view and go to its properties. Go to scale, change the scale to 2 and it's all. Now let's insert the session view of the top view like in the STUDYCADCAM drawing page. To do that, select the top view and set the session view. Choose this duration, scroll down here and click in update now and OK. And here we have the session view with some problems as you can see. So first you can see these line problems and also this problem with the hedge. It is very thin lines and very close together as you can see. Next I show how I usually solve the problem of edges. So the first step is to hide inserted session view, selecting it and clicking in space bar. This way the cutting lines will stay here in this top view, and even if we print this page, the hide session view will not be printed. Next, go to the 3D space. Select the body on the 3D view, click in view and select percent session cut. In session cutting task panel, check the X cutting and flip it and close this task panel. And as you can see now, a new object was added to the 3D view and also in the 3D space. The last object here on the 3D view, as you can see, is the session that we just created now. And select the body and hide it pressing spacebar, and we have our session as you can see here. Next, let's insert this session on the TechDraw page. To do that, just select right view on the navigation cube and then select the object on the tree view and click in insert view. And a new problem found. As you can see, the view appeared with this strange line here. And for a situation like this, I don't know a solution. Maybe using the short line and the extend tools from TechDraw Export tools, but it doesn't work as you can see. So let's try to work with the hidden session view. So what I will do now is to delete all these and make the hidden session view visible, spacebar. And here, if we zoom in here, we see that we have this SS line here. Big problem this, as what we want in this video will not end like desired. So we are starting to have our drawing out of what we want. Very different from the original, this string page here of STUDYCADCAM website. Even so, let's see what to do to improve it. So let's call next step as 3.1, trying to improve the drawing. The first thing I see to do here is to create a line to fill this space here. To create that line, first we need to create a point in this line here. So first, select the session view and go to TechDraw annotation tools and select Add Cosmetic Vertex. Click in point picker, pick a point on this horizontal line here. And OK. Toggle frames, right click on mouse and toggle frames. Next, select the created vertex and select this vertex here. Click and create the cosmetic line and OK. As you can see now, we have this line here. And next, let's select the created line, change it to a continuous line using the change line appearance tool, and we have this as you can see. Now let's insert a 3D view of the model. So change its appearance as you want. Set a good placement on the screen and click in insert a view, this icon. And this is what happens. Let's scale the view to 2.5. Step 4. Now that we have all views, let's lock its positions on the page. So select the top view and the session view and set 200 millimeters on the Y. And next, select the top view and set 200 millimeters in the X. And select the session view and set 350 millimeters X. Next, select the active view, set 115 millimeters X and 7 millimeters Y. Now select all views and lock position setting through here. Step 5. Cosmetic lines. Let's create cosmetic lines on these views like on the string page here. Let's add these two cycles first. So select the center point and this one here also. Then click in add cosmetic cycle, and now let's select the center point and this one here and add cosmetic cycle. Select this arc here and add cycle center lines. Select these three cycles one by one and click on add bold cycle center lines. Next, create these center lines by selecting the main center point and the center point, and then use add cosmetic line through 2 points. And it's all for the top view. Let's say the center line in this hall of this session view. So select these two lines and click in add a center line between two lines. Now select these two vertices and click in add a center line between 2 points and OK. Now select all cosmetic lines of the top view and click in change appearance of lines. Change the style to dash dot and OK. And next do the same for the session view. Select all cosmetic lines of the session view and click in change appearance of lines. Change the style to dash dot. OK. And this is what happens. Now, how to extend lines. For example, in this session view, select this line here and click in extend line, and here we have this. Step 6. Let's insert dimensions in these views. So first let's insert a horizontal and vertical dimension in session view. Toggle frames. Select these two vertex points and next click in insert horizontal dimension. And next select these two vertex points and next click in insert vertical dimension. And we have to add a diameter symbol to the vertical dimension. So select the dimension and insert diameter prefix tool. Now let's insert angle dimension. To do that, select this vertical line and this small line here and click in insert angle dimension. And we have this. Now let's see how to insert the diameter and radius dimension on the top view. So let's go to the top view. Select this cosmetic cycle and insert diameter dimension. And And next, select this arc here and insert radius dimension. And it's okay. Now, how to insert text on the drawing page? To insert text, we have two options: the Insert Annotation tool and Insert with Text Annotation tool and the TechDraw annotation tools. So a simple section A to A, like on the string page, can be added using the First Annotation tool. To do that, just click on its icon, toggle frames, and drag the object to the position. Lock its position if you want, and double click on it to change the text. Let's say session A to A and OK. And this is the basic of how to create a technical drawing of a 3D model in Freecad 0.21.2. Wait for the next video about how to do the same using the release candidate version 2. The video will be available soon, and don't forget to hit like on this video and share it with your friends. And if this video deserves support for the channel, and you can do that, support the channel through the Ko-Fi page or buy something of your interest on channel's Ko-Fi shop page. Links available on the video description.